Want to create art and sell it without ever touching a paintbrush? What if I told you that you could launch an entire online store selling t-shirts, mugs, posters, and phone cases, all without holding a single piece of inventory, without shipping anything yourself, and without any design experience whatsoever? In this episode of Internet Paydays, we'll show you exactly how to make money with AI-generated art and print-on-demand platforms. This isn't just theory. People are making anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month using this exact method. What is print-on-demand, POD? Print-on-demand, or POD, lets you sell physical products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, tote bags, phone cases, wall art, notebooks, and even throw pillows without keeping any inventory whatsoever. Here's how it works. You create or upload a design to a platform like Redbubble, TeePublic, Printful, or Printify. You set your profit margin. Let's say you want to make $5 per shirt. When someone discovers your design and makes a purchase, the POD company automatically prints your design on the product, packages it, and ships it directly to your customer. You never touch the product. You never deal with shipping. You never manage inventory or worry about storage costs. The entire fulfillment process is handled for you, and you keep your profit from every single sale. The best part? It's 100% automated. You can literally make money while you sleep, while you're at work, or while you're on vacation. Complete Toolkit, tools to create and sell. Let's walk through your complete AI and pod toolkit, the exact tools you need to go from zero to launched store. AI art generation, Midjourney, creates incredibly detailed artistic images, works through Discord, costs $10 per month after free trial, produces professional quality results that can compete with hand-drawn art. Leonardo AI, free tier available, great for beginners, gives you daily free generations, offers more control over style and composition. Design enhancement and text edition. Canva, free version is perfect for adding text to your AI images, resizing for different products, creating mock-ups, and tweaking layouts. The Pro version, $13 per month, adds background removal and more templates, but free is fine to start. Photopea, a free Photoshop alternative that runs in your browser, perfect for more advanced editing without paying for Adobe. Remove.bg, automatically removes backgrounds from images for free, essential for creating designs that work on colored products. Print-on-demand platforms. Redbubble, built-in marketplace with millions of buyers, easiest to start, you just upload and set prices. They handle everything, great for beginners. TeePublic, similar to Redbubble, strong community, good for pop culture and fandom designs. Printful, integrates with your own Etsy, Shopify, or website, higher quality prints. You control the branding, requires more setup but better profit margins. AI writing and optimization, ChatGPT. Use it to write product descriptions that sell, generate catchy titles, create store bios, brainstorm niche ideas, and write social media posts. The free version works perfectly for this. Optional digital product sales. Gumroad, sell digital downloads, wallpaper packs, printable art, or coloring books directly. Etsy, sell both physical POD products and digital downloads in one shop. Marketing and traffic. Pinterest, highly visual platform where design searches happen constantly. Create pins linking to your products. Instagram Reels, short-form content showcasing your designs. Behind-the-scenes creation content. Profitable product ideas and niches. Now let's talk about what to actually create and sell. This is where strategy meets creativity. Text-based designs, easiest to start. Pet-themed designs, huge market. AI-generated coloring books and printables. Abstract and artistic designs. Where to sell your products. Now that you have designs ready, let's talk about where to sell them and how to get traffic. Marketplaces with built-in traffic, best for beginners. Redbubble. Upload your design once, and it automatically appears on 70+ products. Millions of monthly visitors already browsing. You just need to write good titles, tags, and descriptions. No marketing required to get your first sales. Lower profit margins, but zero effort traffic. Etsy shop, 95+ million active buyers. Excellent for unique, artistic, or personalized designs. SEO-driven, good titles and tags equals organic traffic. Monthly fee, 20 cents per listing, small transaction fees. Build a brand people can follow. Getting traffic and making sales. Having great designs means nothing if nobody sees them. Let's talk about getting eyeballs on your products. Platform SEO, free traffic that converts. On Redbubble, Etsy, and Amazon, people are actively searching for products to buy. Your job is to show up in those searches. Title optimization, front-load keywords, funny coffee mug for dog lovers, sarcastic pet owner gift. Tag strategy, use all available tags. Think like a buyer. What would you search for to find this? Description optimization. First paragraph is crucial for SEO. Naturally include keywords 2 to 3 times. Social media traffic, fast results. TikTok, massive opportunity. Show time-lapse videos of AI generating your art. These go viral constantly. Design reveal videos. Show the final product on a mug or shirt. Tutorial content. How I made $300 this week selling AI art. Trending audio plus your product showcase. Add link to your shop in bio, mention it verbally. Instagram Reels, behind-the-scenes content, showing your design process. Product photography or mock-ups with trending audio. User-generated content if customers share photos. Scaling and maximizing profit. Once you get your first few sales, here's how to scale into a consistent income stream. Volume strategy. Successful POD sellers often have 100 to 500 plus designs live. Upload consistently, 3 to 5 new designs per week minimum. Niche domination. Instead of random designs, dominate 2 to 3 specific niches. Become known as the shop for that specific niche. Build a brand, not just individual designs. Consistent shop name across platforms. Cohesive visual style or theme. Shop announcement or bio that tells your story. Consider a simple logo. Email list. Offer 10% off first purchase for sign-up. Avoiding common mistakes. Before we close, let's cover the pitfalls that trip up beginners. Copyright and trademark issues. Never use copyrighted characters, Disney, Marvel, Pokemon, etc. No celebrity faces or names without permission. No sports team logos or brand names. AI-generated art is generally fine as long as you own the commercial rights check your AI tool's terms. One copyright strike can get your entire shop banned. Quality control. Don't just slap AI art on products without checking how it looks. Preview mock-ups to ensure designs are properly sized. Text needs to be readable at print size. Some AI art has weird artifacts or distortions. Clean these up. Patience is required. This isn't overnight money. First sale might take 2 to 6 weeks. Algorithm favor shops with consistent uploads. Before you go, drop a comment telling us. What niche or product would you create first? Funny cat designs? Motivational gym quotes? Vintage travel posters? Let us know, and we'll help brainstorm specific ideas and give you feedback on your concept. If you found this valuable, subscribe to Internet Paydays. Every week, we break down a different realistic way to make money online. No BS, no fake promises, just practical strategies you can implement immediately. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's build your internet payday together. Now stop watching and go create something. Your first design could be the one that changes everything. See you in the next episode.